little puppets. Today it is me, Esther, and I will be doing the troll time for Refashionista Sheri. So today's comment comes from Laura, and Laura says,
I hate your fake laugh. Also, no one is that excited about wearing something ugly they made.
well, Laura, that was quite a lot of capitalization and exclamation marks. Once again, somebody is screaming at Refashionista Sheri about just complete and utter silliness. And I don't understand why. I think it's perfectly fine for Refashionista Sheri to be excited, genuinely excited about the things she makes. And contrary to what Laura thinks, her laughter is not fake. It is 100% real, because when she makes a mistake, she has a laugh about it. Do you know, she didn't come from the nicest background, and her way of dealing with things was to make light of the situation in the best way she could. And that means a lot of laughter in her life. And she brought that with her into adulthood, and it is her coping mechanism, and it is in fact quite genuine. Also, I'm really not sure why it is such a terrible thing to be excited when something works out. Refashionista Sheri is not a professional at all, and most of the ideas that she is sharing and the tutorials, it is the first time she's doing it. So when something actually works and it fits her and it looks good, she is genuinely excited about it. And you know what? That's a very positive thing to have in your life. So instead of going around and saying, don't laugh and don't be excited, maybe try taking a little bit of that sunshine that Refashionista Sheri spreads around and be a little bit more positive and turn that frown upside down, and then maybe you too can walk around and spread the positivity. Well, Laura, I hope that cleared things up for you. And you know what? Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and Refashionista Sheri and me, Esther, we will catch you on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.